All right, net weight confirmed, 1.2 metric tons.
I've got that recorded. You can move it to staging.
We're assessing the bloom strength now. This amber color and clarity are excellent. The documentation confirms it's suitable for the marshmallow structure.
Temperature is holding steady at 18 Celsius.
Good, log it and check the viscosity on tank 4.
Flow rate looks steady at 50 gallons per minute.
Confirmed. Viscosity is optimal.
Target weight achieved for component C.
Verified. Moving to the next sequence.
Check the pressure on regulator 7. It's reading a little high.
Okay, I'll adjust the flow rate now.
Industrial agitators ensure a consistent mixture as the temperature rises, achieving perfect clarity in the sugar solution.
Check the bricks level on kettle 3.
Reading 85, ready for transfer.
The reading is 78.2% bricks, right within our target range.
How are the readings looking? Everything is within parameters. We can proceed to the mixing stage.
Temperature is stable, right at 60 Celsius.
Perfect. Logging the data now.
Maintaining the temperature precisely at 60 degrees ensures the correct viscosity before the mixing phase. The temperature is holding steady at optimal range.
Glycol pressure is stable. We are ready for aeration.
In this state-of-the-art facility, hot sugar syrup and liquid gelatin are
Increasing speed to 40% now. The aeration looks good.
Consistency is perfect, holding stiff peaks.
Check the viscosity on the white fluff.
It looks good, almost ready for the conveyor.
Specific gravity is holding steady at 1.3.
Good. The texture looks perfect on this batch.
Vanilla saturation looks complete.
Agreed. The viscosity is holding steady.
The viscosity on the marshmallow batch is still reading high. We need to check the brown line pressure.
All right, I am adjusting the valve now.
We're looking for consistent cell structure before depositing the batch. The foam stability seems optimal.
Precision is key as the molds are pressed into the starch, creating the perfect cavities for the marshmallow.
Check the flow rate on line 3. It seems a bit high.
Yeah, I noticed that too. Let me adjust the feeder speed.
This is where the marshmallow is deposited into the starch molds.
Right.
We monitor the consistency here.
And this ensures the traditional texture.
The flow rate on the second depositor seems low.
Yeah, I'm seeing that on the tablet. Let's adjust the frequency.
The temperature and humidity controlled environment allows the marshmallows to firm precisely.
The extrusion rate looks stable at 200 kilogram per hour.
Confirmed. Consistency is holding steady across all metrics.
Temperature is holding steady at 18 degrees Celsius. Speed looks good. We are ready for cutting.
We need to increase the speed on the conveyor slightly, but watch the temperature on the character molds. The sizing on line 3 looks consistent. Yes, the coating weight is right on target according to the specs.
Check line 3, the light is pulsing again.
Got it. Adjusting the feed right now. We adjusted the feeder for the coconut. The dispersion is much more consistent now.
Yes, that looks much better. Let's maintain this speed.
The medium-sized flow seems to be backing up slightly at chute 3.
I see it. Adjusting the vibration now.
These samples show slight variations in density. Yes, but the compression scores are within tolerance.
It stabilized at 18.2%.
Noted. Right within the target range.
The cross-section reveals a delicate cellular structure, crucial for the marshmallow's texture and stability.
The browning uniformity on this batch is excellent.
Yes, the puffing behavior meets the campfire specification.
texture on this high humidity sample is completely compromised.
Agreed. The water activity levels confirm significant moisture migration here.
Dipped slightly this hour.
Yes, the sealing mechanism on the pink marshmallows needs calibration.
Okay, bringing it up now. Is that centered? A little more to the left, then ease it forward. Looks good there.
The system caught that last one. Good. According to the data here, we're maintaining 99% accuracy.
We're almost at full capacity on this one.
The next truck is ready for loading.
The foam inserts are secure, no movement.
Matches the specs. Serial number verified and correct.
Warehouse, this is shipping. We need pickup on dock 3 for the Miller order. Paperwork is ready. All right, team, Bay 3 is clear for the next load. Copy that, bringing it in now.
Looks like we hit 98% capacity on this run.
Excellent, send the manifest to the floor.
Pallet secured, manifest checked. Straps are tight on row 4. Looks good from here, seal it up.
Driver Drew4, confirm you have the updated route avoiding the I-80 closure.
The shipment for Anheuser-Busch is showing a 2-hour delay.
Pallet Fortin is secure, ready for the final load.
Confirmed on the manifest. Good work, team.
As you can see, the marshmallows glide through a cascade of our finest dark chocolate before heading to the cooling tunnel.
Make sure the pretzels are centered on the dark chocolate ones.
Yeah, I'm checking the alignment now. The flow rate seems spot on.
How are the strawberry swirls coming along?
Almost ready for the drying rack. Just finishing the cuts on the vanilla bean.
The color is perfect for the strawberry batch, and the aroma is coming through nicely. We can start the funneling process.
The elasticity on this batch is perfect.
Agreed. The pH levels are right where we need them for the tropical assortment.
Look at this elasticity reading. It's exactly what we hypothesized.
The hydrocolloid interaction is stable.
As you can see, the agar formulation provides a firmer set, while the aquafaba yields that traditional spongy texture we're looking for.
The vanilla note is very clean.
But the texture on the green one is slightly grainy.
The flow rate looks low on the red ones. Yeah.
Yeah, I just adjusted the pressure. It should stabilize now.
It's seating properly now.
Good. I'll torque these clamps down. 3 clicks each.
Pressure looks good on loop 3. Record that on the manifest. Done. We are clear for the final rinse cycle.
Torque is set on the mixer bolts. Okay, and the new valve is installed on the pump.
The fire suppression system is up to code, and the emergency exits are clearly marked and unobstructed.
Ensure the cooling tunnel temperature remains consistent for optimal crystallization.
Any questions on the quality standards? Yes.
The P chart shows we're exceeding the upper control limit here in Q3.
Yes, the Pareto confirms the highest frequency is the supplier defect rate. We need to initiate corrective action immediately.
Here at the facility, our team sorts thousands of pounds of waste every day, ensuring maximum recovery of materials.
And here are the raspberry ones you selected.
Yeah. Thank you so much. They look wonderful.
Okay, gently move the pink one up just a millimeter. Perfect, hold that.
Look at that texture. Now we just tap for the final shot. I think this one is going straight into the reel.
We think the texture really sets us apart in the gourmet market.
It's excellent. How scalable is the production for a national rollout?
We're ready for high volume immediately.
Transparency is key. Every ingredient, especially the sugar content, must be meticulously documented for regulatory compliance.
Back left, easy now. Yep, got the manifest right here. This one's ready to go.
If we look at the production data here,
The upward trend is clear.
and the sales figures support continued investment in this sector.
Yes, those LED strips come with a 3-year warranty.
The marshmallows should arrive by tomorrow. We appreciate your patience.
The secret is in the stretch, a testament to the meticulous process behind this beloved campfire treat.